The next step in here will be applying the pink background that you can see on the menu in here. So let me see. First of all, we are going to open the elements.png and we are going to zoom in so we can get this menu in here. This will be the background that we are going to be using. Let me double click and I am just going to make a selection, click outside and click again, then Control C so we can copy. I am just Control C, clicking several times, and then I am just going to click on Control N. Let's click OK, Control V, and the next step will be going to the Modify, Canvas, and Canvas Size. We are going to change the width to 500 and the height will be to 300. Click OK, and we are going to zoom in. What we are going to be doing in here is creating a copy. Make a selection, Control C and Control V so we can have another copy, and we are going to zoom in with the tool right there and a little bit more. Now if you notice, you are going to be able to see a pattern in here. All this section in here will have the same color, and then in here will be, well, this color will start fading and this color the same. What we are going to be doing first of all is copy. Let me click on the eraser tool and I am just going to increase the size down here, then eliminate right here as you can see, and there you are. Then I am just going to go back in here, click on the pointer tool and copy again, Control C, Control V, and we are going to erase or delete, well in this case erase this side and then this side. Let me eliminate one more pixel from the right, and as you can see we are going to have this image, and we are going to be creating this image because this image, let me show you what we can do. If you notice, we can increase the width behind the menu. Okay, let me Control C. Well, I am just going to move everything here. Make a selection on this image, Control C and Control V. Again, the same process. You can see, continue, Control V, and the same process. Now this image will be helping us to create a base layout. Okay, we are going to be using this image behind the menu. Right now, don't worry if you don't understand. Let's copy, then Control N and click OK. Control V, and let me click zoom in, right click and fit all. Then click on the pointer tool, click outside, and we are going to be eliminating the canvas color. There you are. Then we are going to go to second up, PNG 32, and we are going to save this image as candy menu right. Then click on save, and the next step will be creating the other side of the picture. Let me just zoom in here just a little bit more, and let me click on the color because I am just going to be getting the color in here. Let's copy all this, then again on the color, clicking here, we are just going to be, let me Control C to eliminate that again, and there you are. Now we are doing this because we want to cut the image to cut in here right there. Okay, and let me double click in this case, and I am just going to click in here on the color and copy this one, then clicking down here, the same process, clicking here and we are going to paint just a little bit. Now right now this won't really look important to you, but when we start creating the menu, these steps are going to make the pictures behind the menu start fusion each other. They are going to be looking right when we put together these images with the CSS style. Let me click outside, then click on the canvas and click on transparent button. By the way, all these images are going to be below. Then second up, PNG32, and we are going to save. Now you can click on your keyboard, Control Shift and the R key. It will be the same if you go to File and Export. You can see the export, Control Shift and R. Then the name will be Candy, Menu, and to the left. Then click Save. And for right now we have finished, because on the next video we are going to start applying these images behind the menu.